Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to perform an event or program in C. So I will be using Turbo C++ IDE. We'll create a new program. Let's start. It's the program will be about even and odd. So we'll start as include stdio.h. We'll also include one more library file or header file as conio.h. stdio. As you know, it's a header file, standard input output, in which default functions are defined like printf, scanfs are defined as library. Conio.h is a console input output. It is used to clear the screen or get the input from the user and can be used for displaying the output. I'll just write main function. For even odd program we will require one variable, so let's start. Just have even odd check. This is a comment, so it cannot be compiled and checked by the compiler while executing. So just write int will declare a variable int number, and we'll just have a printf message for the user. Enter a number. %d ampersand number. Here printf is a function to display the string or whatever content it is present in this here on the output screen. Scanf is used to take the input from the user, where %d is a placeholder. %d is for integer, for the float and for double it's a different one. And here ampersand number defines that the whatever the input given by the user will be stored in this variable. So whatever we give the input, it will be stored in this variable. Just have enter. Let's okay. Now we're going to check that if it is odd or even. So we require an if function, if block, where we just check if number is modulo by 2 equal to 0. If this satisfy, it means that it is a even number. Just write one printf function where it just display just use /n for the new line. Just it is okay, it is an even number, or just write else statement here printf. Just copy here, edit. You can use a shortcut, control insert, just copy. I'm just pasting here. I'm just pasting for the shift insert. This it is an odd number. Okay, it is an odd number. So that's it. That this program will require one more thing. We just add get ch function at the last. Get ch, it will allow us to get the output at the while running the program itself, but it does not mean that it is used for displaying the output on the screen. It is used to take the input from the user. So it is defined in this header file conio.h. Let me just make this screen bigger. Okay, get ch. I'm just writing int as a return type for the main function. If you writing this as a return type, you have to return something back from the main. So I'm just returning return 0. Okay, it will be return 0. Okay, you can also write void main, it depends on you how you just go for your program. So let's save it. Go to file, save, just write file name as even odd check dot c, click on OK. File has been saved. Let's compile it once. We have no error. Let's go to run. Here compiler asks for to give an input from the user, so I'm just entering, let's see, 5. So it is an odd number. Okay, we just run one more time for check. As you can see, the previous output has been seen in the screen, so we will use clr function clean screen to just remove the previous output on this output window. Just check one more, 588. It is an even number. So just we write once as a function, just after int is the clr scr. This is a function defined in this header file. It will clean the previous content in our output screen. Just save one more time. Let's compile it. Okay, okay, okay. I need a semicolon. This is a common problem we just face most of the time. No error, just run. As you can see, there is no previous content of the output, so I'm just checking in 45. It is an even number. Then just one more time check. See, every time we just open that screen, output screen, the previous values are cleared. We'll add 4798. Just have 4790. It is an even number. So this is simplest program. You can also refer my Java code for the same program I have done using Java language. That's it for this code. You can just like, subscribe and comment for my channel. Thanks for the watching video.